Okay, so I have the iGen4500 and I was having problems with it turning on. I would do everything, put in oil, gas, make sure I was following everything the way it was supposed to, and it would just run, and then stop, and then try again, run, and stop. What I found out is that I had to move the choke on the other side. I have the panel closed right now, but you have to open up the other side panel, and there's a little choke, and you just move that manually, and it would turn on. Well, after researching, couldn't find the answer. I called Westinghouse, and they told me that during shipment, this cable right here comes loose. And as you can tell, see that it's loose right there. So I just have to connect that. Okay, and it should start up now on its own. So let's test this out. Okay, have it on gas. 1, 2. Yes. Awesome. So that is so cool. That's never happened before. I've always had to manually push the choke. So, all right, well, there you go. If you're having the same problem, you have to open up this panel. There's a lot of screws here, all along, under here, all along the side, and bolts here on the bottom. Just take all those apart and you will be able to get it going.